Oh, didn't see you there. I'm Tim Player, and I did a Rube Goldberg video with Derek Kelly and Karl. In this lesson in science, we learned about Rube Goldberg machines and the transfer of energy. Energy cannot be destroyed, it can only change forms. Rube Goldberg machines demonstrate this by having a chain reaction of events, leading on to some mundane task that it achieves. In this case, our task is ringing a gong. I'm Tim, Karl, Derek, Jack. Okay. So, we are in my beautiful yard with my beautiful treehouse. There's our setup.
Alright, to start off, we have a candle that we will light, and that candle will burn through this string. This string will then let down Mentos through the hose into the Coke. The Coke will then go up through the hose and go into this bucket. This bucket will then pull this pulley.
When the pulley pulls the bucket, that pulls this foil to hit other foil to make an electrical connection.
That turns on a light, which goes to my little photoresistor right there, which activates a relay, which makes this motor go. Notice that the light and the motor are on separate circuits. So basically what my circuit does is turn on the motor when the light turns on. Yep.
This candle will be lit at the beginning along with the other candle. And so, as it spins, it will run into here, which will have fuel in it, and the words science will burn, which will in turn light this string, breaking it, causing the log to go down on the zip line and hit the oil barrel at the bottom.
With everything in place, we were ready to start our machine.
Alright, we are starting.
Okay, I'll get down there. Okay.
Jack, stay.
Alrighty, here goes Karl. Here goes Karl. He is lighting the candle that will burn through the string. Oh, and the candle is burnt through the string. Alright, and now the Mentos is building up and it'll travel up through the house. And then when it gets down, it'll come down here. And so, should be... So it is coming down through...
So as the Coke pulls down on the bucket, the tinfoil goes up, creating a light to turn on, which goes to the circuit, which turns on, or the candle spinning to light the flame on the word science. And it travels down the words. Then it burns the string that is holding up the log to go down to the gong, or the oil drum.
Makes a great deal of smoke.
And notice it's in the word science.
Jack! Ta-da!
And that triggers Jack to run down after the zip line.
We did it, it worked, and we had fun. Mission accomplished. Okay, I'm going to go on this with one hand. Whoop! Ah!
Hello, how's it going?
And this is me. This looks like a Facebook picture.
And that's Jack. And here's the rope again because it looks super cool. And maybe you can see Karl and the treehouse off in the distance. Whoa! Silly goob.
Alright, let's get
Okay.
to work.
Yeah.
Alrighty, here we go.
Dibs.
I'd like to inform you all about a very close call we had with a very close friend. My phone. We set it up inside of the gong to get some footage of the inside, and it didn't end very well, but luckily we found it.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this buddy inside there. Oh, looks cool. You can see the canopy. I'm going to tape it to the inside of this. It's going to be kind of scary for you. Sorry, phone.
This is the footage from when we found it. We had to give it a call to see where it had landed when it got launched.
That's where my phone landed. From a good, 6 feet away from the oil drum where I'd left it. Sorry, phone. I love you, boy.
Truly a heartwarming story. Also, just because I never gave you a shot of the entire zipline's path, I'll give you one now.
Jack!